Today we're going to learn how to make a pinwheel. First, we need to turn our paper into a square. So fold over the sides so the edges line up. Crease it with your fingers. It should look like this. Go ahead and try it. Now cut off that extra piece with your scissors. Put it aside because we're going to put it in the scrap box. Now you have a triangle. Fold that triangle in half and crease it. Now open it up so you have a square divided into 4 triangles. Now you're going to need your scissors. Go ahead and take them out. Make 4 little marks around the center in the shape of a square, about an inch away from the center. You'll need your scissors and you're going to cut up to those little points. Make sure you don't cut into the center because your paper will fall off. Cut on all 4 sides. Make sure they're even. At this point, you're going to decorate the front and the back of your paper. While you're working, I'm going to come around with a hole puncher and hole punch the sides of your paper. You can add different designs using patterns, lines, and shapes, or you can just draw whatever you like. When your paper is finished and decorated, you're going to fold all of the corners with the holes into the center. Make sure they line up on top of each other. There you go. Now take your pipe cleaner and be careful, it's sharp. You're going to push it through the holes and push it through the back side of your pinwheel. Watch your fingers. Pull it through. Now you're going to twist the front part around in a circle. And now you're going to take your pencil and twist the back part around the part near your eraser. Twist it tight so it doesn't fall off. And there you have your pinwheel. Oh, and don't forget to write your name.